Hey, it's me, SteveWB, and we are walking into Star Wars land, as you can see. And I'm going to be doing a microphone test with the GoPro Hero 8 Black. We're going to be testing camera, internal mic, media mod kit, and 2 different external microphones, just so you can hear all your audio options with the GoPro 8 Black. So, without any further delay, let's get right into it. Okay, this is going to be the GoPro with the media mod kit with the rear microphone. And as you can see, there's a really cool spaceship sitting right there. Star Wars land is really awesome. Do a quick little 360 for you. Okay, so this is going to be the front-facing microphone on the GoPro 8 with the media mod kit. How does it sound? Star Wars people everywhere. Okay, so I'm still on the front-facing microphone on the media mod kit, and I'm going to present this to you. Check this scene out. Pretty nice. Tell me what you think. Okay, this audio test is going to be the GoPro Hero 8 Black with just the built-in internal microphone. No mod kit, no external microphone. This is just the stock microphone on the GoPro Hero 8 Black. What do you think, Colton? Okay, so this is going to be the Rode VideoMicro plugged into the GoPro Hero 8 Black with the media mod kit. But I'm running the Rode VideoMicro. Check 1, 2, what do you guys think? Check the scene. And that's the Rode VideoMicro. Okay, so this test is going to be the Comica VR30, which is a powered microphone. Quite large and obnoxious. You feel silly using it. But what do you think? How does it sound? Check out the scene. And that is the Comica VR30. Okay, so this is going to be the Comica VR30 with a plus 10 dB gain. And this is all hooked into the media mod kit, of course, on the GoPro Hero 8 Black. And we're going to check out the scene behind me again. Let's see. So what do you think? How does the VR30 sound with the 10 dB gain? This is going to be a microphone test for the Rode Wireless Go microphone. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. How does this sound? We're in Hollywood Studios by the Rock and Roller Coaster. So how does the Rode Wireless Go sound? Check 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Tell us in the comments.
Rode Wireless Go. Okay, so that's going to be it for the audio test with the GoPro Hero 8 Black media mod kit compared to the GoPro with no mod kit, compared to 2 different external microphones. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And I'm SteveWB, and I'm out.